I'm scared to show you this technique for playing really fast drum rolls. Drum rolls are played with some combination of wrist, fingers, arm, and rotation, but at some point you won't be able to manually stroke the notes any faster. That's when you have to switch to a controlled rebound stroke with a pumping motion in your arms. The pumping motion looks like when a non-drummer picks up sticks for the first time and tries to play fast singles with their arms. Although you won't get fast singles with this technique, you can get fast rolls. How fast you can pump your arms is how fast you can play the roll. But because the rolls are super fast, you have to speed up the second note of the diddle to play it in such a short amount of time. You can do this by adding a downward motion above the stick to speed up the rebound, and by changing the amount of space in your hand to control the timing of the rebound. You'll need to spend some time experimenting with subtle changes in your technique before you can get it just right every time. If you're not sure how to do that, I've got a video that shows you how to do that with traditional, German, French, and American grips while playing fast 3 and 4 strokes. But the same technique works great for double stroke rolls. If you're looking for exercises to practice this pumping technique, try it with any of the roll exercises in my YouTube channel's home tab, where there are thousands more free drumming tips and exercises. But I want to warn you that this technique is not as common as normal drum rolls, so spend more time playing slow and controlled instead of focusing too much on this pumping technique.